1. 1970 Plymouth Fury III, $1,500, Pflugerville, Texas. A 1970 Plymouth Fury III, powered by a 318 V8 engine with a 2-barrel carburetor and automatic transmission. It features factory AC R12 that still works, a custom exhaust, a new fuel tank, and a new battery. Recent brake work includes a replaced master cylinder and some brake cylinders. The taillights are attached and it comes with one new tire. The car has a clean title, but the engine might need replacement due to a potential crack. 2. 1977 AMC Hornet $1,000, Beaumont, Texas. This 1977 AMC Hornet is a rolling shell with no engine, but includes a 4-speed manual transmission, good wheels, and tires. It is missing the fuel tank and some dashboard components, but comes with new door panels and extra parts. Originally intended for an LS swap, the seller no longer has the time to complete it. Clean title in hand. Available for $1,000 or best offer. Otherwise, it will be sent to scrap. 3. 1978 Cadillac Seville, $750, Little Rock, Arkansas. A complete 1978 Cadillac Seville that has been parked for years. This classic luxury sedan is available for just $750. No further details provided, but it could be a great parts car or restoration project. Number 4. 1970 Chevrolet C20 Camper Special, $1,500, Rome, Georgia. This 1970 Chevrolet C20 Camper Special features a 350 V8 engine and a TH350 automatic transmission. The truck runs well but needs a transmission replacement. It comes with factory AC and is a high-option model. The body is rough, but it still has good parts and restoration potential. Price is $1,500 or best offer with no trades accepted. 5. 1967 Plymouth Sport Fury, $2,200, Arlington, Texas. A 1967 Plymouth Sport Fury powered by a 383 V8 engine and automatic transmission. The car ran last year but has not been started in recent months. Many engine updates have been completed and some extra parts are included. This classic Mopar muscle car is available for $2,200. 6. 1971 Dodge D100, $2,500, Brooksville, Florida. A 1971 Dodge D100 featuring rare petty blue paint with natural patina. It would make a great candidate for a Hellcat swap. The truck does not come with a title and the passenger side bedside has a large dent. A solid project truck priced at $2,500. 7. 1971 Dodge W100 Power Wagon, $2,800, Cantonment, Florida. This 1971 Dodge W100 Power Wagon was originally a slant 6, 3-on-the-tree truck. It now has a disassembled 318 V8 and a 3-speed manual transmission with an aftermarket floor shifter. The engine was stuck but has been freed. The truck has rust but remains more solid than many others. Clean Alabama registration and bill of sale provided, as Alabama does not title older vehicles. Price is $2,800 or best offer. 8. Late 1960s Checker Taxi, $2,500, Florence, Alabama. A true all-original late 1960s Checker cab. The car last ran 2 years ago and has been parked since. It features an inline-6 Chevy engine with a 2-speed Power Glide transmission. The car has rust, including areas on the floor and rockers. The brake line rusted through, which led to the vehicle being parked, would make a great rat rod or full restoration project. Bill of sale only, as Alabama does not title vehicles over 35 years old. Priced at $2,500. 9. 1979 Chevrolet LV 4x4, $20,500, Dahlonega, Georgia. A 1979 Chevrolet LV 4x4 project truck with minimal rust. The engine was installed and initially ran well, but now needs carburetor work. Additional work needed includes wiring, brake lines, and fuel lines. Comes with extra parts, including doors and a tailgate, priced at $20,500. 10. 1968 Ford Mustang Coupe, $2,800, Lago Vista, Texas. This 1968 Ford Mustang Coupe is a roller with no engine but is otherwise mostly complete. It underwent significant restoration in 2007, including a C4 transmission, an 8-inch rear end, a front disc brake conversion, rewiring, and new floor panels. The interior was redone but needs some cleaning. The body was sandblasted and primed in 2023 but requires further work to repair multiple holes. A solid project car with a clean title priced at $2,800. 11. 1972 Dodge Charger, $8,500, Sandusky, Ohio. A 1972 Dodge Charger featuring a powerful 440 Magnum engine. It comes with extra parts and has a clean title. No significant damage or major issues reported. A classic Mopar muscle car ready for a new owner at $8,500.